Hello people, Mastermind 500 Able here. I just want to do a review the um on the Tipman A-5. This is a very awesome Christmas present if you love paintballing. And if you like I just saw this in the background. This is one of my other guns I did reviews with about 20 minutes ago. So, yeah, about 23 minutes ago because I was going to do a TV video, but that messed up for like the second time. So, this was about like 23 minutes ago. So, it's a really good Christmas present. It cost like 79, 72 probably at Walmart. No, probably like 72 at Walmart and probably like it's 79 at Dunham's, but at Dunham's they don't like I'm pretty sure Walmart always cocks. Like theirs would always be like messed up. And right here I'm pretty sure I'm just probably thinking that right here. And then I don't have the barrel to go with it, but green paintballs really go with this gun. There is a little sight right here, kinda like an AK-47. Kinda like an AK-47 on Black Ops. Well, not really. But like some gun MW3, probably like some side like that. It has like a circle and then like a line. Yeah, and it's the real you should really get. It's a really sweet gun. It's called the Tipman, and it's I think it's 5 I don't know what you say for this for the CO2 tank, 5 centimeters. It's something with 5. That's all I know. Something 5. 5 centimeters, 5 inches, 5 pumps, 5 pumps of air probably, and then you just probably like 40%. I'm probably like 90%, 50 pump, and like 30%, and probably like 30% like it's probably like 30% it's 5 inches, and probably like no 30% it's like no 30% it's 5 inches. No 50% is 5 pumps and 50% is 5 inches. So yeah, and then there's just a reload. Just get that off the camera right here. Just pull that back. That's the sound it makes. Then that's how it sounds. But it is a semi blast, so you all gotta do is reload it once. It doesn't go automatically, but you can just keep and it keeps on shooting. And then when you're out of bullets, you just refill. You just refill. Well, you can just refill and don't have to reload. But when you take the CO2 tank out, you do have to reload. And then just start shooting again. You put your eye up to here, I think, because like when you see that little opening right there? Yeah, you put your eyes through there, kind of, I think, and then when your eye goes through here, is already here, so your eye goes right in that little opening. Let me just show you that to you again. Opening right there, and it's a really awesome gun. And you can also twist this off, like you tighten. It's actually instead of lefty loosey, it's lefty tighty, and righty loosey. It's kind of weird. It's like the second time I noticed something, lefty tighty and righty loosey. So you just twist that off, and then like when I'm playing The Walking Dead, I'm in my room, I'll be like boom boom. I make really realistic gun noises, like I probably said in my last videos. Like probably when my cousin. Oh, like in the barrel video I probably did. So when I like if I'm doing this as an automatic, but I rarely do, like, I only do this, like, twice, and I mostly use this as a sniper, so, like, when I'm shooting, you can just take this out right here, yeah, bam, 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 yeah, I use the, pistol, that as the enemy, and as mine, so, yeah, it's a really cool gun. It's fun to play with it like this because when you play with it like that kind of stuff, it's like kind of like a small carrier gun. So that's really sweet about it. Remember just to post comments. That's the Tipman A-5 gun. Remember the CO2 tank. You put it into here. Wait a minute. Just hold the gun like this. Look on the back where the handle is. The very bottom, you just put it in right there. And you just put it in right there. And then like a big bottle. And then you can also I think you can slide a sight. I don't have a sight. Well, I do have a sight, but like that, like a scope. I don't know if I can get this. I probably can't get it. But like when you're putting on the if you ever get a scope for this, you can just rip this. It won't bother it. You can just do like a stand-up scope, and then it just slides onto here, just like my finger slides on right here. And so that's it for today, folks. See ya and bye.